what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're over here at Montgomery Cycle Center checking out the 2026 Honda CBR 1000RR. Let's go. Alright guys, behind me we have the 2026 Honda CBR 1000RR with a 999cc inline-4 liquid cooled engine with a 6-speed trans. Alright guys, obviously this is chain driven. Let's jump on the front of this bike and we're going to talk about the brakes, the tires, and the shocks. So the tires are Battleax S21s. Battleax S21s are, and these are 17 inches in the front, so you'll get a 120 by 70 17 in the front. And the brakes are 320 millimeter dual disc with 4 piston calipers, and you'll get a Showa inverted telescopic forks in the front with 4.7 inches of travel. Alright guys, let's jump to the rear really quick. You'll get a Prolink single shock in the rear with 5.4 inches of travel. The tire is the same thing. It is a Battleax S21 with 190 by 50 17 rear tire. And of course this bike is full LED all around. You'll get LED front light, turn signals, and rear brake light and everything. Full LED guys. Alright guys, so what is the seat height of this bike? This bike has a seat height of 32.8 inches, which is kind of high, but if you are a shorter rider, you'll be uncomfortable on this bike. You'll gotta tiptoe, but if you're like me, 5'10", you'll fit pretty comfortable on this bike. And what about the weight? This has a curb weight of 432 pounds and a fuel capacity of 4.3 gallons. Which is not terrible at all. All right, let's jump onto this dash and let me show you what the dash looks like, and I'll also show you what I look like sitting on the bike. Gear position sensor right here, side stance down. So I guess you'll see it right here. You have your tachometer right here. PTWEB, user 1. And I guess you can select over here to change this stuff right here. And it changes. There's different modes for different riders, stuff like that. All right, let's get into the controls on this bike, guys. So on the right side, this is all you get. You get your start switch right here. So this will start the bike, but this is the ignition key right here, so you turn it on. Let me show you what the dash looks like when it comes on, when it boots up. That's what it looks like. And then on the left side over here, you'll have your turn signals, left and right. You have your horn, your mode dial, select. You can select whichever modes. Then you have your high beam and pass, and then you'll have your 4-ways, and then you'll get your lap button right here. Let's see what that looks like on the dash. I don't see anything. Let's try changing modes. Hitting this button right here to change the modes. Select over here, select lap, average, trip, average. Hit it again. Let's change it, try something else. PWs, user, different modes. Change it again. Total, trip B, trip A, total. Change the mode again. I guess it gets back over here to the elapsed times, average, trip, blah blah blah, and then back to the modes again over here, and that's all you get for the modes from what I can see. And here's your adjuster, 10 com HS and Showa. This is the Showa shock. All right, let me show you what the lights look like. Alright guys, let's head over to the website and take a look at the prices and everything about this bike. See what other colors it comes with and what other options you may have. So let's jump over to the website right now. Alright guys, let's head over to the website and take a look at this bike. This bike is only coming in one color, and that's pearl white, but it comes in different trims. So you'll get it in a ABS and a non-ABS. The ABS version is higher price. The ABS version is $17,299, and the non-ABS version is $16,999. So that's a $300 upgrade if you want ABS. Why wouldn't you not pay $300 extra for ABS if that is something you want, I should say. Also guys, there's a destination charge here of $775, so look out for that too. Now okay, so this 2026 bike, it does not appear as though this bike has changed at all. So here is the specs, the downloadable PDF specs of this bike. And as you can see here guys, this is the 2025 model here, and this is the 2026 model here, and nothing has changed on this bike. It's still coming in pearl white. It doesn't give me a color on the 2020. It doesn't give me a color on the 2025 PDF model. No. But basically guys, everything is the same. Nothing has changed. You can take a screenshot of this, or you can you can pause the video here and you can go over the specs from 26 and 25, and you can look at each of these and you'll see that nothing has changed. Let me go up, let me come down, try to get this in the exact middle so you can pause it and look. 26 on the right, sorry, left, and well, it depends on how you see it. 26 on the left, 25 on the right. These are specs, I looked over everything, nothing at all has changed. Alright, so yeah, let's head back over to this 26 model. And I already gave you the price, $16,999 with a destination charge of $775. No different color options. Only different option you get is ABS and non-ABS, and that is it. That is it for this bike, guys. Dual stage fuel injection, Prolink in the back, central getting fuel tank, Showa inverted, big piston shocks. Alright guys, let's head back over and close out this video because there's nothing here worth mentioning. So let's head back over and end the video. Alright guys, quick reminder, I am 5'10" with a 32-inch inseam, and I'm going to show you how I look like on this bike. And remember now, the seat height on this bike is 32.8 inches. I'm going to give you a couple angles, front, back, side, and I'm going to show you what I look like on this bike. Maybe you might be the same height, or maybe you might be taller or shorter. You'll get an idea.
Those bikes in specific, it's not just
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up there. I have other stuff coming to the channel. As the new bikes start rolling out, we're gonna come back and do more stuff. Alright, if you made it this far into the video, as always, I appreciate you, man. Keep your eyes on the swivel, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.
times the bikes are sold before they even get here for our one.
Alright guys, let me show you what I look like.
Yeah. They will tell you that